Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are birds and blooms graphic toolkit, you can see, and this is birds elements and pattern. For example, birds, and they are PNG images, high quality birds. These are almost done, and same in allowable illustrator format. And here you can see. So now come to elements. Here PNG format, high quality PNG images. And here are the illustrator format. Here and here is pattern, again in PNG. Again you can check, these are 24 patterns, PNG format and allowable illustrator. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. So do subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Take care.